Hi everyone. So for quite a while now, I've been using etoro. etoro is a stockbroking platform that you can use to buy and sell like stocks, crypto, commodities, forex online. So if you have an etoro account and now you want to withdraw the funds back to your bank account, whether you're in Malaysia or in other countries, today we're going to walk through how to withdraw funds from etoro. So basically there are two methods to withdraw funds, and today we're going to cover one withdrawal method. So for the second withdrawal method, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for the next video. And with that being said, and without any further ado, we're going to dive into the tutorial. So we're going to do everything with the etoro app. So in the home screen on the top left, tap the burger icon to slide out the side button, then go to withdraw funds. Then put in the amount you want to withdraw, and do take note that there is a $5 withdrawal fee, which will be deducted from your withdrawn amount. And this we will see in a bit. So then, next is where you want etoro to send your funds to. So here, I have my bank account saved. For my Malaysian etoro users, yes, you can withdraw money from your etoro account back to your Malaysian bank account. So to add a bank account, tap the add a new payment method at the bottom. Then you have to put in your first name, middle name, last name, bank country, bank currency, bank account number, SWIFT code, and additional information. For Malaysian etoro users, I use Maybank. So here, put in your name, bank country is Malaysia, bank currency is USD, which is US dollar, bank account number is your Malaysian bank account, your Maybank account number, then the SWIFT, you can Google for the SWIFT code, then the intermediary bank section, you can leave it blank. Then additional information is optional. You might want to put your full name as your Maybank bank account name. Then tap submit. So then you see here the $5 fee and net amount to my Maybank in this example is 995 US dollar. And after I've done this transaction, I receive a withdrawal notification from etoro in my email, and within 3 business days, the withdrawal is reflected in my Malaysian bank account. But bear in mind that the transfers may take about 8 business days, shorter or longer, for the transaction to go through and to reach your Maybank account. So that's it on withdrawing from etoro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this and in real estate, investing, finance, and home and living. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.